A is for actor. B is for batsman. C is for cobbler. D is for dentist. E is for engineer. F is for fireman. G is for gardener. H is for housekeeper. I is for inspector. J is for journalist. K is for cancerologist. L is for librarian. M is for mechanist. N is for nurse. O is for obstetrician. P is for principal. Q for quality inspector. R is for radio jockey. S is for salesman. T is for teacher. U is for ultrasonographer. V is for volunteer. W is for writer. X is for X-ray operator. Y is for yoga instructor. Z is for zoologist.